Hello guys, in this tutorial we're gonna work with columns a little bit more. Okay, so let's delete this font. Who cares about font? Times New Roman, which is default, will get the job done in most cases. And let's move this column name to left for both columns. And we're gonna do that in TH obviously. So text alignment will get the job done. Left in this case. There you go. And the right will work too. There you go. But I'm gonna stick with the left option. Okay. So let's target these real stuff down there. And we're gonna do that through TD target. For example, background property, light yellow. I always forget T for some reason, or maybe I need to change my keyboard. Refresh. There you go. Can we set different height from default? Well, sure. For example, 40 pixels. Okay. And maybe I'm gonna double that, because next topic is how to push these names and last names to upper top corner, let's say. Can we do that? Well, sure. To do that, we're gonna use vertical alignment. And I'm gonna say top here. So we have a result. But what if you wanna push that thing down there in a bottom right corner? If you say bottom here, well, the problem will be you didn't specify text alignment. So you must combine that too. Text alignment, right? And now the thing will work. If you want to push it here, then we are talking about vertical alignment, which means target is the top. Okay. And what about center? Well, center for vertical and center for horizontal alignment. There you go, guys. So here's a question. What about padding? Can you use that? Well, let me test that. Right. For TH, let's say, we're gonna have padding all over the place in a header. So, padding, 5 pixels. And you will see that change from left side. Oops. What I said, 50 pixels. Oh, that's a lot. Right, 5 pixels. And if you want to be really specific, you will say padding from left, 5 pixels. And if I say 25, maybe we'll see that thing better. There you go, guys. But I'm gonna stick with the 5 pixels. Can you set individual border color for TH? Border color, for example, red. Will that change anything? Well, sure, you can target that too, but that's a lot of colors, so I'm gonna remove it, but you get the point. And what's next? Right, padding around this thing. Let's go to default size, and if I say padding here 10 pixels, then you will have that space all around. Right, 25 pixels. It depends what you do, but we are playing around a little bit. There you go, guys. Okay, so here's a question. How to position this table in the middle of the screen? Well, the easiest thing is to say margin, auto, and refresh. There you go. Very cool stuff. What about percents? Can you use them? Well, let's say 80% and refresh, and now that thing will be resizable. But then you lose some other options. In most cases, you want to have that table fixed width. So I'm gonna revert to, for example, 800 pixels. I mean, yeah, pixels. Refresh. Okay guys, in next tutorial we're gonna talk about rows a little bit more. And as always, thank you for watching and see you there.